testing time. Okay. Okay na. Lublub natin ng 1 second. Oops. That's it. And then pag. Ayan. And let's wait for 1 minute. So, ito yung first checking. Yan. Second. After 2 days. This is today. So, kailangan ano siya dito. White. Oh, sukat mo na. Oh, we're gonna check this and 2 and 3. So, kailangan nasa white siya. Para perfect na siya. Oh, white na siya. Pwede na to. Balik na naman tayo sa testing area. Charot. Tingnan nga natin ulit. 0. Ayan, puting-puti na. Don't mind this. Ito lang. So this will be checked there in the aquarium shop. These are the range. Ayan, NO2 kailangan below 0.1, NO3 is about 15 to 20. This was the last one. Masyado siyang mataas. Ngayon kailangan nasa 0 siya. I think pwede na. Oh, from old one. Now it's already white. Oh. This is the current test result. Yan siya. Quick test. So, making sure that the water is suitable for fish. Yan. Check natin yung NO3, NO2 according to the instruction.